Hey everyone, today we're closely examining the HOTWAV Cyber 13, a durable and reasonably priced smartphone. This phone can be exactly what you're searching for if you're seeking a long-lasting, waterproof gadget with a great battery life at a reasonable cost. Let's get started. A 10-watt power adapter, a charging cable, a SIM ejector tool, a screen protector, and the smartphone itself are all included in the small black box that holds the HOTWAV Cyber 13. It is made of a combination of rubber, metal, and plastic, and has a resilience-focused construction. This phone is not lightweight, weighing 388 grams and measuring 16 millimeters in thickness, but it is weatherproof. There are two color options for the Cyber 13, pure black and black with orange accents. It is ideal for difficult work conditions or outdoor excursions because of its IP68 and IP69K classifications, which guarantee that it is dust-proof, dirt-resistant, shock-proof, and waterproof. The phone's 6.6-inch HD Plus screen has a resolution of 720 by 1612. Although it just has a normal refresh rate of 60 Hz, it offers vibrant colors and respectable responsiveness. Although some people may find the thick bezels on the display, especially the chin, outdated, the screen works well for this price range. The gadget has a distinctive, simple launcher and runs Android 14. Additionally, it has a kid-friendly mode and easy mode for easier navigation, making it usable by people of all ages. The Unisoc T606 Octa-core processor powers the Cyber 13's internal components. Despite not being built for gaming, it does a respectable job on daily work. Low graphical settings are possible for well-known games like Asphalt and PUBG Mobile. The device's Antutu benchmark score of about 254,637 points demonstrates its capacity to function as a dependable, low-cost performer. It offers enough memory for multitasking and storage with 8 gigs of RAM, which can be increased to 16 gigs via virtual RAM, and 128 gigs of storage, which can be up to 1 terabyte via micro SD. The Cyber 13's enormous 10,000 mAh battery, which can run for up to 4 days with moderate use, is one of its best features. However, recharging may take a little longer because it only supports 10-watt charging. Long-lasting performance is nevertheless made possible by the phone's seamless battery optimization. In an emergency, the gadget can be used as a power bank to charge other gadgets because it also enables reverse charging. The Cyber 13 has two cameras, a 13 megapixels front-facing camera and a 64 megapixels primary camera. Although the camera quality isn't the finest for dynamic range or detail, it's sufficient for work and quick photos. The primary camera has a strong LED flash with a 150 lumen rating, which is perfect for low light conditions, and records video in full HD at 30 frames per second. Additional features include Bluetooth 5.1, NFC support for Google Pay, and a red button that can be programmed to do rapid operations. Convenience for safe access is further enhanced with the Face Unlock feature and a fingerprint scanner on the side. At a relatively low cost, the HOTWAV Cyber 13 has outstanding durability, IP68 or IP69K protection, a large battery, and reliable hardware. It's a fantastic choice for anyone who values durability and battery life over performance and svelte design, even though it doesn't try to compete with high-end devices. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new phone? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.